Hi, children of grade 5. I welcome you all for our day 8 session of reading and writing class. Children, before getting into the session, let's see today's value. That is, reading is a window to the world. So, children, to explore world, we need this reading and writing skill. So, make use of this golden opportunity to improve your reading writing skill to shine in this world. So, children, let's start our reading session from our textbook English Fairy, chapter 1 poem. The title of the poem, Be a Friend. Children, are you ready? Shall we start reading? Yes, let's start reading. Take your textbook, page number 14. Keep your fingers, all of you. Read along with me, children. Read loudly and pronounce the word properly. Okay, children? Yes. Let's start now. Be a friend. B-E-A-F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Be a friend. Okay, children? Keep your fingers, all of you. Follow me, children. Be a friend. See here, warm up. W-A-R-M. Warm. W-A-R-M. Warm. Hyphen. U-P. Up. Warm up. What is this word, children? Warm up. Next, move on to the sentence. I-M-A-G-I-N-E. What is it? Imagine. What is this word, children? Imagine. I should be pronounced as E-M-A. G-I-N-E. Gin. Imagine. Imagine. T-H-A-T. That. T-H-A-T. That. Imagine that you, Y-O-U, you, and A-N-D, and Y-O-U-R, your, Y-O-U-R, your, Y-O-U-R, what is this word, children? Your friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend, your friend, H-A-V-E, have, H-A-V-E, what is that, children? Have, H-A-V-E, have. H-A-D, what is this? H-A-D, had. H-A-D is had. Had. How to pronounce this? Had. A-N, an. A-N, an. Then A-R-G-U-M-E-N-T. What is this word, children? Argument. A-R-R-G-U-M-E-N-T. Meant. Argument. Argument. Okay, children? Argument. Y-O-U-R. Your. So, that's all from the first sentence, children. Shall we read this line? Imagine that you and your friend have had an argument. Okay, children? Shall we move on to the next sentence, children? Yes. So, Y-O-U-R, your. Y-O-U-R, your. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Your friend is, I-S is, V-E-R-Y, very. U-P, up, S-E-T, set, upset. So, let's read the sentence, children. Your friend is very, very upset. Your friend is very upset. Yes. Move on to the next line. L-A-T-E-R. What is this? Let's pronounce this and split the word, children. Try it. L-A. Lay. T-E-R. Ter. Later. 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 I-N. In. T-H-E. The. D-A-Y. Day. Later in the day. Y-O-U. You. R-E-A-L-I-S-E. What is this word, children? R-E-A-L. What is that? Real. Very good. I-S-E. Ice. Realize. Realize. What is this word, children? Realize. R-E-A-L-I-S-E. Realize. You realize. T-H-A-T. What is this word? That. T-H-A-T. That. I-T. It. W-A-S. Was. W-A-S. Was. actually. So actually. You can split like this also. AC, act, TUA, L, 12, LY, Lee, actually. Okay, so actually, YOUR, your, FAULT, 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 fault. Okay, so let's read this sentence, children. Later in the day, you realize that it was actually your fault. Okay, children, let's move on to the next line. Yes. WHAT. What is this word, children? WHAT. It is what. Very good. It is what. WILL. 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 YOU. You. DO. Do. What will you do? What will you do? Okay. So that's all from the warm-up, children. Let's read the poetry lines now. So reading. READING. What is this word, children? Reading. 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 Okay, children? See here. See the green sentence here. LET''S. How to pronounce this word, children? It is ET''S, that is letters. Okay? And the short form here, the contraction is let's. Letters is the full form, and you have to pronounce this word as let's. In short form, we should pronounce it as let's. Okay, children? So let's, READ. What is this? Read. Let's read a POEM, poem. Let's read a poem. WHERE. What is it? Where. 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 THE. The. POET. 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 TALKS. What is this? Talks. 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 Here L is silent. Okay. So we have to pronounce it as talks only. It is not talk. Okay. It is wrong pronunciation. Talk. Talks. That is the correct pronunciation, children, because L is silent in this word. Okay. So talks. 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 Okay. ABOUT. 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 What is it? About. About. Ways. WAYS. What is it? Ways. 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 TO2. Ways to. BECOME. What is this word, children? Do you know this word, children? Do you know this word? Become. 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 Okay. BECOME. Come. We know that already. Okay. So together it is become. Become. Okay. Become. GOOD. Yes, we know very well about this word. Good. Very good. Good. FRIEND. Friend. Okay. So let's read this line, children. Shall we read this line? Yes. Let's read a poem where the poet talks about ways to become a good friend. Okay. Shall we read the first stanza from the poem? Yes. See here. See here, children. B a FRIEND. Friend. Be a friend. YOU. DON''T. What is it, children? Don't. Do not. That is the full form. It is in the short form, no? Then how we have to pronounce? Don't. Don't. You don't need. 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 What is this? Need. You don't need. MONEY. How to pronounce this word? What is this word, children? Mo. Mo. NEY. Knee. Money. Okay. Be a friend. You don't need money. Okay. Yes, that's all from the first line. Let's move on to the second line. JUST. 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 DIS. Dis. PO. Po. S-I-C-T-I-O-N, shun. What is that word? Disposition. Disposition. Okay, children. So how to pronounce this word? Disposition. How to split the word? Dis. D-I-S. Dis. P-O-Po. S-I-C-T-I-O-N. Shun. Disposition. Disposition. S-U-N-N-Y. What is it? Sunny. S-U-N. Sun. N-Y. Knee. Sunny. Okay. So let's read this line, children. Just a disposition, sunny. Okay. Let's move to the third line. J-U-S-T. Just. J-U-S-T. What is the word, children? Just. The. T-H-E. The. W-I-S-H. Wish. W-I-S-H. Wish. To. T-O. H-E-L-P. What is that word? What is this word? Help. Wish to help. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. Another. No. N-O. No. T-H-E-R. There. Another. Another. Okay. So see here line, children. Just the wish. W-I-S-H. Wish to H-E-L-P. Help. Wish to help. Another. What is this word? Another. Okay, children. Just the wish to help another. Okay. So that's all from the third line. Let's move on to the fourth line. G-E-T. What is that word, children? G-E-T. Get. Get. G-E-T. Get. Along. L-O-N-G. Long. Get along. Some. S-O-M-E. Some. W-A-Y. Way. Or. O-R. O-T-H-E-R. Other. Other. Okay. So let's read this line, children. Fourth line. Get along some way or other. Okay, children. Let's move on to the fifth line. J-U-S-T. Just. Very good. J-U-S-T. Just. Just. K-I-N-D. What is this word? Kind. We should not pronounce it as kind. It is kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. L-Y. Lee. Kindly. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Kindly. Hand. E-X. X-T-N. Ten. D-E-D. Dirt. How to pronounce this word? Extended. Very good. So let's read this line. Just a kindly. K-I-N-D-L-Y. Kindly. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. E-X-X. T-N. Ten. D-E-D. Dirt. Extended. Just a kindly hand extended. So that's all from the fifth line, children. Let's move on to the sixth line. Let's move on to the sixth line. Out to. O-U-T. Out. T-O. To. O-N-E. One. W-H-O. Apostrophe S. Yes. What is this word, children? How to pronounce this word? W-H-O. Apostrophe S. It is who is. We should pronounce it as whose. The short form whose. But the full form is who. U-N. Un. B-E-B. F-R-E-N-D. Friend. E-D. Erd. Unbefriended. Unbefriended. What is that word, children? Unbefriended. Unbefriended. Okay, children. Out. Let's read this line. Out to one whose unbefriended. Okay, children. So that's all from the sixth line. Let's move on to the seventh line here. J-U-S-T. What is it? Just. T-H-E. The. W-I-L-L. What is the word, children? Will. T-O. To. G-I-V-E. Give. O-R. Or. L-E-N-D. Lend. Just the will to give or lend. L-E-N-D. What is this word, children? Lend. G-I-V-E. Give. So just the will. W-I-L-L. Will to give or means or L-E-N-D, lend. Just the will to give or lend. So that's all from the 7th line, children. Let's move on to the 8th line. Okay, so see here, this THIS, this, WILL, will, MAKE, make. So THIS, what is this word, children? This. WILL, will, MAKE, 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 YOU, SOME. What is the word SOME? Very good. Some, ON apostrophe S. It is once, some once. Okay, some once, FRIEND, friend. Let's read this line, children. THIS, what is this word? This, WILL, will, MAKE, make, YOU, SOME, some, ONE apostrophe S, once. So it is someone's, FRIEND, friend. Let's read the line again, children. This will make you someone's friend. So that's all from the today's reading part, children. We have read the poem Be a Friend, first stanza. Let's continue the next stanza in the next session. Okay, children. Next, let's move on to the writing part now. Children, shall we start right now? Yes. Take your handwriting note, all of you. Take your pencil or pen, whatever it is. Be ready. Let's write now. Children, are you ready? Shall we start writing? Yes. First we need to write date. Yes. Today's date we have to write. Date we have to write. Then today's session 8. Chapter 1. B. See how I am writing B? B, E. B, A. See, children, F. How I am writing F? F or IEND. Friend. Be a friend. Okay, children? Then we need to write writing. WRITING. So, children, follow the same pattern in your handwriting note. Write neatly, children. Writing page number 13. Okay, children. First we need to write date, then session, chapter 1, poem, Be a Friend title, then writing page number 13. Okay. Shall we start right now, children? Yes. First we are going to write. So see here. First L. L-E-T. See how I am writing L. So this is the way you need to write L. Okay. First step, second step, and at last third step. Okay. So first you have to start here and next like this. Okay, children. So let's okay, let's R-E-A-D, read, R-E-A-D. Let's read a P-O-E-M, poem. Let's read a poem. W-H-E-R-E. So join the letters and write, children. Ma, அப்படியே கேக்குமா, சவுண்ட கம்மி பண்ணுங்கம்மா. join the letters and write, children. Okay, follow the same pattern as I am writing, where the P O E T, poet. Okay, where the poet, TALKS, talks. T, how I am starting, children, see here, and how I am ending. So this is very, very important, and you need to join each letter and write. Okay, so talks, ABOUT, about. Okay, AB, see how I am starting with a tick. Okay, and you have to join till the word gets over. So about, WAYS, ways, to, BECOME, become, B, see how I am starting, BECOME, become, a, GOOD, good. See how I am starting, G, how I am ending, D. So the same way you should write, children. Good. See how I am writing, F, or IEND, friend. Okay, so let's read a poem where the poet talks about ways to become a good friend. Okay, let's write the poetry lines now. First line, see here. So if you are starting a first line, you should start with a capital. So this is the capital letter. First you have to start. So this is the cursive B. First you have to start like this, then here. Okay, this is the way you need to write B, children. BE, B, A, FRIEND, be a friend, full stop. Be a friend, capital OI, OU, U, DON, apostrophe T, don't, N, see how I am starting N, the curve, the cut is very, very important, NEED, need, how I am starting M, see here, MONEY, money. Okay, so next line, see here, JUST, just, see how I am writing J, this line should cut. Okay, so you have to start here and it should cut here, so that is the proper J. Okay, JUST, just, a, DIS, POSITION, disposition, SUNNY, sunny, disposition, sunny. Okay, children, let's write the third line, JUST, just, THE, the, WISH, wish, just the wish, to help, 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 ANOTHER, another, another. Okay children, then capital G we are going to write, see, J and this is G, J, G, E, T, G, E, T, get, ALONG, along, SOME, some, WAY, way, some way, or OTHER, other, other. Okay children, let's write the next line, sixth line, JUST, just, a, KINDLY. See how I am writing K children? This is the way you should write K, cursive K. First you have to write T, then like this, okay? KINDLY, kindly, HAND, hand, kindly hand, EX, TENDED, extended. Okay children, so see how I am writing E and X, E, okay, so E you should write, then you have to bring X, then again like this, okay, cursive X, okay. So that's all. Today we wrote these lines in our handwriting part children. So write neatly and follow the same pattern, cursive patterns in your handwriting notebook. Maintain the notebook properly. Write the date, session, chapter, title, writing page number. Then you have to write this lines children. So are you clear? Okay. So that's all from the today's writing part children. I'll catch you with another video soon. Children, before winding up the session, let's recall the value again. That is, reading is a window to the world. So children, develop your reading habit to explore this world.